Sick of having to use the same stinky and sticky disinfectants full of chemicals every day? You want to protect yourself and your loved ones, but using the common hand and surface sanitizers start to damage your skin and your furniture? Worry no more. BIOEFES is here for you. BIOEFES is produced with the latest technology by electrolyzing sodium in water. It's free from alcohol, GMOs, SLS, and synthetic fragrances. Lab results have proven that it kills 99.99% of bacteria, spores, fungi, and viruses, including Covid-19. Furthermore, BIOEFES is biodegradable, non-flammable, wasn't tested on animals, and has a halal certificate. The refreshing spa-like smell of ginger oil extract separates BIOEFES from other disinfectants. Production of BIOEFES is made in Turkey and distributed worldwide from Switzerland by the company Smart Dialing GmbH. The skin, surface, and environment-friendly BIOEFES is available in 50 milliliter and 1 liter bottles and in 5 liter canisters. BIOEFES, the safer way to stay safe. For more information about BIOEFES and other products, please visit our website, www.bioefes.ch.